How to share entire folders via Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up the file manager on a device. Now go to the folder location. Now simply keep holding the folder. Now there are two methods to share entire folders to Gmail. Now the first method is simply tap on the share button at the bottom menu. Then tap on Gmail. Now this will share all the files inside the folder. Simply enter the email address and tap on send. Or you can simply go back, tap on three dots and tap on compress. Then tap on OK. Now select the zip file. Then tap on share. Then tap on Gmail and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.